Hello, everyone. This is Annabelle from Job Pedal, and today I have the pleasure of having Duncan from SECTA with us. Welcome, Duncan.
Hi, Annabelle. It's great to be here.
Well, it is wonderful to have you. So, Duncan, could you please tell our listeners a bit about SECTA and what it stands for?
Yeah, absolutely, Annabelle. Look, SECTA is a recruitment agency that offers comprehensive security training programs and courses to individuals who are looking to start or advance their careers in the security industry.
Well, that sounds like a crucial role in shaping the workforce. What makes SECTA unique compared to other training providers?
Well, Annabelle, one of our standout features is our emphasis on practical and real-world training. And our courses are designed to equip students not only with theoretical knowledge, but also with the practical skills that they need to excel in the security field. And we have the state-of-art facilities here at Granville and experienced trainers who ensure our students are job ready.
That practical approach surely sets SECTA apart. So could you tell us about the range of courses that you offer?
Yeah, of course. We offer a variety of courses ranging from basic security operations to more specialised areas like crowd control and security officer training. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive platform where the students can choose the path that aligns with their career goals, hopefully in security.
That's impressive. So how do you ensure that your graduates are ready to step into the security industry with confidence?
Great question there, Annabelle. Look, at SECTA, we believe in hands-on training. Our courses involve practical scenarios and role plays, and they mimic that real-life situation security professionals might encounter. And this practical experience, Annabelle, coupled with the theoretical knowledge, gives our graduates the confidence and the skills needed to excel in their careers.
Well, it sounds like a well-rounded approach. Now, let's talk about an exciting opportunity that SECTA is offering to New South Wales high school students.
Well, at SECTA, we're thrilled to introduce an exclusive opportunity, Annabelle, designed to empower the high school students who are looking to embark on a rewarding journey in that security industry. And we've unveiled a comprehensive and free security training program that's tailored to equip those students with the skills and the knowledge needed for a successful security career.
That's fantastic. So, Duncan, what is included?
Yeah, look, a certificate 2 in security operations, which is absolutely cost-free, Annabelle. And if you're 18 years of age and a current high school student, this is your gateway to the security industry. So SECTA is proud to collaborate with a number of private industry groups offering an unemployed scheme that provides that unwavering support and training for those seeking a fresh start. Our SECTA team is dedicated to offer this initiative and extending it to students who display promise and dedication.
I know that our podcast studio is always available for the SECTA students, and the security jobs are plentiful. You know, event security, crowd control, door work, corporate security, party boat security, loss prevention, static and mobile patrol.
Yes, Annabelle, please visit our website, which is on the bottom of the screen there, to explore our courses and get more information. You can also send an email through to us, info@secta.com.au, or give us a call on 1300 660 360.
Perfect. Well, Duncan, it's been a pleasure having you on our podcast today. Thank you for sharing insights into SECTA's unique approach to security training.
And thank you, Annabelle.